Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kasha and today we'll be doing something a little bit different. On my channel you can find various unboxings for Twice and K-pop stuff, but this time we'll be doing something different and I'll be unboxing this pouch that I received from YesStyle. If you're not familiar with YesStyle, it's a website that provides Asian fashion, beauty and different lifestyle stuff. So you can basically purchase anything that you want from there. I usually use it for my accessories. So for example, the simple earrings that I have on today, I bought them from YesStyle, and also all my cosmetics that I use in daily life are also all from YesStyle, so they're really great. I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you want to get some money off your order, you just have to put Kasha Wants TV as your rewards code and it should give you some discount. And also all the items that I will find in my bag today will be linked in the description box, so if you like anything, just check out the description box below and it will be all there. I will also put my discount code in there just so you don't have to bother finding it in the video. I'm really excited to open this right now. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so I can already see it's really a variety of stuff here, as you can see inside. Let's see what we got here. Let's start from the biggest thing. So we have socks and let's open them. I actually have a similar pair, but they're still different, so it's kind of like a colorful style. I personally really like ankle socks because I use them a lot in the summer when I'm wearing shorts, and I just think they're really fun. So this is how it looks like, really nice, and I will definitely be wearing them with my Vans. I really like to wear ankle socks in the summer, even though it's really hot. I just think it's like a must-have fashion thing. The next thing that we'll be opening is sunglasses. Yes, cat eye. So here are sunglasses, and I was really thinking like, would they send us sunglasses because it's a summertime, so obviously I think you would need some kind of glasses. I was not sure because it's kind of fragile, but I'm actually quite happy they sent us those. Let me take off my glasses. I actually wear my glasses because it's more convenient to see, but I can see perfectly fine without, not perfectly, but it's not a disaster. I can still see stuff, I just can't read them. So let's see how they look like. Ooh, I don't know if that's my style, but I actually, I was not expecting that kind of quality. It really fits perfectly, so I'm a little bit surprised because I did not give them my size. I think it's not too bad. I actually don't really wear sunglasses because I don't go out that much. Introvert stuff. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's open the next thing, and what do we have here? That's a scrunchie. I've actually never had the scrunchie in my life. So, well, it's about the time, especially these days when it's really hot. I really wear a kind of, like ponytails a lot. I do not look very flattering in this, but let's see how it goes. So I think even if your outfit is not very colorful like mine, I usually wear all black, I think that kind of scrunchie would be a nice accessory, so that you could, just put your ponytail like that, and I think it looks very nice. I'm not really comfortable wearing ponytails on camera, but I think if I wear it like that, it would be really nice. And it's polka dots as well. I think the style is pretty good. And we have a few more things actually. Surprised, there's so many of them. What is it? So here we have some hair clips, and I already know that I'm gonna love this one. I'm usually not the type of person to like these. I just saw this one and I already know that I'm gonna love this one. This is just so cute, and it reminds me of Heart Shaker for real. So you know, twice as hard shaker. I will definitely use it a lot. It's really cute. Let's just see. I usually wear the other side, but pretty. Is it working? So far I don't see how it's going, but I'm not doing this in the mirror. I'm just trying to do it on camera, so I don't expect it to go that well. I think once I properly put it on, it's really cute. So it's like a bunch of pearl ones, and this is like the really simple one, but I think I will definitely use it a lot. This is really cute. The next thing, what is it? Oh wow, swirl. I have no idea what that is, but let's check it out. It kind of does look like oh, it's an earring. Okay, so I wore the earrings that they sent me. This is how it looks like. Personally, I really like it. I think this is not something that I would buy myself because I really like, you know, like very simple stuff, but I think it looks really nice. Like, I actually would wear it. Let's see, what else do we have here? So here we have some rings. Let's try them on. So there's actually a set of 2 in this one package. So one is like that and the other one here. The thing about my fingers is that I have pretty big fingers. I have small hands but pretty big fingers, so like it's hard to fit. Like, so this is a moon and a star and just a very simple single band. So this is which fingers it fits. I think I could put it right here, but I don't know if you're supposed to wear it like that. So let's just, yeah, maybe, I think it works. I think it works like that. Really nice. I usually don't wear many rings. I just wear my couple ring, which I do not have on right now, and I wear the other ring that my grandma got me sometimes, but right now I don't have any of them. So let's see, what else do we have here. So I've got this. I'm not yet sure what that is, so let me open this. I think it might be another set of earrings, so we'll be changing earrings once again. Like that. It looks kind of simple, but at the same time it's not totally simple. Okay, so here we are. The earrings looks pretty nice. I think once I try them on, they're really nice, so I'm gonna leave them on. What is it? Okay, so I think that is a bracelet. I do not have any bracelets at the moment, so you know, having some in my accessories would be really useful. Not useful, but I really need some more accessories. So far it looks really simple. Again, simple is what I love. You know what? I cannot put it on myself, but this is how it looks like. It's just, you know, it's really simple, but at the same time it's kind of, you know, it's kind of style I would wear. One simple string of silver and then the other one is kind of, you know, like a chain. Very nice. I will definitely wear it for my future videos, so you can expect that. And if I'm not mistaken, we have 2 more stuff. Okay, that's a butterfly necklace. So it's a gold one. And there's a butterfly here. So the chain for the butterfly necklace is a little bit thicker. That's how it looks like from up close. Just a butterfly. It's pretty nice. It's just kind of long, but I suppose I would be wearing this with a little bit longer t-shirts, you know, like more built up. And the last thing that we have in our bag is another necklace. Looks like this. I bet you cannot really see it, so let me just put it on. It's layered, so this is like a top and a bottom layer. My today's top is probably not the best one to wear. This is the top layer and the bottom layer, so that's a circle and a little thing like that. Yeah, this t-shirt I'm wearing today is probably not the best one, but I do like it a lot. So thank you so much to YesStyle for sending me this stuff. And again, if you want a discount, here's my discount code kasha1tv. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.